There's a few things that we put up. One of them was utilizing the video switcher, but I'm curious from you, what do you think is the best way to keep people on your video experience?
That's an excellent question, Adam. And I don't know if you have enough time, but I will try my best. So we watch and consume a ton of video content. Watch any TV show, any movie. Every 5 to 6 seconds, the scene is changing. Because 5 to 6 seconds is around the time that you are going to engage, depending on the dialogue. Even there, if there's a monologue, you're going to see the scene switching because your ears might be engaged, but your eyes might be wandering off and looking at the phone while you're listening to the dialogue, right? So it all comes down to what type of message is being portrayed in this video. Now, one of the best places to share your content, video content, is YouTube, because they push that content and they find related content around what you're sharing. And I think with the latest update that YouTube has done, you can now have a podcast playlist on your YouTube channel, which they are also pushing and promoting. So what are the things that you can do to promote or keep the audience engaged? Have a plan for your show. So just like when you watch, let's say, The Late Night with Jimmy Fallon, he's got different segments. So maybe have different segments in your show, in your podcast, and then you can use something like a Stream Deck to, set up different scenes where you have a shot side by side where you're in the same shot with your guest, or you can have a 3 video up where you're now showing another image, or you just adding another image. You're just changing stuff to keep the audience engaged. I'm like, hey, this is what we're talking about, because we are a very visual human being. So you want to make sure that the concept that you're talking about, maybe you have a little video of that concept so that they capture it even faster, right? So you have the other ways people have been doing, they've putting captions up where the captions are embedded into the video. So caption embedding, you can have images, you can have videos playing, you can have side-by-side video, you can have different angle shots, B-roll. So there's a ton of terminology that can be integrated and programmed actually into a Stream Deck. So with a push of a button, you can bring up a different scene. With a push of a button, you can bring up a different layout of what's happening in the show.